And now I am live. Hi, guys. Good evening here in Canada. Good morning to the other part of the world. For those who don't, for those who see me first time today, I am Jean. I am an accountant by profession, and I am a digital business owner. So tonight I'm gonna share my personal experience because I learn lessons a lot. So that's why I have to share this experience when I'm doing my tax filing up to the last minute. Our deadline for taxes for filing here in Canada was yesterday, and I submitted my tax filing at 11 o'clock in the evening. So I only have 1 hour left before the deadline is done. So yeah, so I really learned the lesson with this activity because it consumes a lot of my time, and I don't want it to happen again next year. And I will also impart my learning so that I can also help you plan out your tax this year. Okay, so first lesson. So number one, what I learned is, oh, I have my notes here. So what I learned is, prepare your uh, tax details as early as January of the following year. Although the deadline is May, but I really suggest that you're gonna prepare it as early as January. So why January? Because if you wanted to claim your RRSP benefits here in Canada, so you still have a lot of window. You still have a lot of window to claim your RRSP. So that's what I learned. So it's our first time to claim RRSP against our taxes. That's why I should do our tax next year as early as January. So what is RRSP? So this is only applicable to Canada. This is Registered Retirement Savings Plan. So this is a very uh, good retirement plan where you will have tax incentives if you have this plan. So you can use this as our additional retirement and as also tax savings. So accountants like savings so that we can maximize our taxes. So yeah, so if you can finalize it as early as January so that you will know how much RRSP you're gonna get so that you can maximize your refund because it will help the refund that you're gonna be getting. So okay, and the next one is organize your receipts and do the reports regularly. So what we did is we just organized our receipts, and I think of myself, okay, I can remember this, but the truth is I didn't remember. So I was trying to figure out every receipts that I have every month against our statements. So yeah, so it's a basic actually it's a basic accounting activity which I did not uh which I did not apply to myself. I only apply it to my work. So now is the time that I'm gonna apply this concept of organizing the receipts and doing the regular reports. So at least once a month, if the activity is not so many, but if the activity of your business is already a lot, then do it at least weekly on your spare time on weekends because it's too hard to remember everything. So now I know that I don't have a sharp memory anymore, so it's not as good as before. So it's really suggested to organize and to update the reports, do the income statements monthly. So okay, if you don't know what's income statement, ask your accountant. So so that you will know how to prepare that by yourself, and because that's the basic report that you're gonna report to CRA if you are not yet incorporated. So you can just submit your income statement. You just declare all your sales and declare all your expenses. So that's the basic report if you're still not a corporation. So yeah, regular filing of receipts and regular making or regular creation or whatever naman. Basta, gumawa ng report. Number one, gumawa ng report, i-organize ang mga resibo. Okay, right, and the next one is uh, the next one is to open an account, open bank account or open a credit card account just for the purpose of the business because it's really hard to to separate the groceries from the business related expenses and yeah, if you can have a bank or if yeah, bank or a credit card that gives you the receipts right away if you use it in any stores, then that's a good way or that's a good app that you can use because our time is so precious. This is a very administrative job and we don't want this to do anymore. So for me, it took me 1 week to organize all my receipts and trying to get all the receipts as many as I can because yeah, and claim all the expenses or claim all the valid expenses. So only valid expenses. So claim all the valid expenses against our taxes. So yeah, so those are my learnings. Those are the learnings that uh I learned this year. So hopefully I will not cram anymore next year and I'm gonna plan out ahead of time and yeah, it pays to plan ahead because I used to be a last minute person. Even when traveling, I pack myself last minute. So and go to the airport last minute. So um I know it's a bad habit, but that's the way that I have my adrenaline rush and I can finish as many as I can. But yeah, I don't advise one. It's still better that you get a plan out your tax filing. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. So if you're watching this on replay, just give me a shout out and I'll give you back. Shout out to. So if you have questions about taxes, I am not an expert. You can ask your accountant, but I'm only sharing my personal learnings, my personal experience. So yeah, if you can incorporate your company so that you will have your own salary, then I think that's the next step that I should do. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for watching. Let me know where you're tuning in, and I'll give you a shout out when you watch this replay. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Have a nice evening and have a nice week ahead. Bye.